Okay, what you're going to need to start off with is a white sheet of paper. Each one of you will pair up with someone else in the class. One person will start while the other person models, and then you'll switch. We are doing blind contours, which means you cannot look at the paper. As soon as you put your pen down, you are not allowed to lift your pen until you are done, and you're not allowed to look at the paper. I'm going to begin right at the nose, and here I go. I'm not looking at the paper. So I have no idea how this is going to turn out. It's supposed to look like a bunch of messy lines, drawing the ear, going back down to the eyebrow, and now an eye. I'm going to draw the circle in the eye, and then I'll skip over to the other eye, the eyelid and the eyebrow, back down to the nose and the jaw, into the mouth. I forgot her nose. And I would like to put a neck on her even though she doesn't have a neck. Okay. So what you end up with is a black messy line of your subject matter. So what you're going to do now is you're going to get your ruler and you're going to make so many lines across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'd like a curvy line. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay, I'm just going to go with 15. So all of the colors within the face have to be warm or cool colors. So if your face is cool, your background has to be warm, and if your background is cool, your face has to be warm. All of the colors next to each other, like if this one's blue, this one cannot be blue. It has to be a purple or a green. The same color shouldn't be touching each other. So let me get some colors and let's begin coloring. Okay, I am going with cool colors for the foreground. That is blue, greens, and purples. And warm colors for the background, which are reds, orange, and yellows. It'll end up looking kind of stained glassy. It's going to have a really awesome looking feel to it. Can't use blue next to that one because I could use a darker blue. You can't use the same color blue next to, or the same color green next to the green. But because there is a blue here, I don't think I want a darker blue there anyway. I'll just go, actually, oops, I'll go with a darker green. I didn't mean to do that. I finished coloring the cool colors in the foreground of the Catwoman face, and I went ahead and signed my name. So I think I'm going to use yellow in this square in the beginning of the background so I could still see my signature. And then the rest of the background will also be warm colors. Okay, it is done. Warm colors for the background, cool colors for the foreground, or vice versa. Warm colors for the foreground and cool colors for the background. You can use color pencils and crayons if you don't have enough variety with the color pencils. And if we don't have enough Sharpies, you can use a black crayon. Enjoy. I hope you like this project.